What is a PLC? Long answer short, it reads inputs, runs a program, and sets the correct outputs. But what does that actually mean? A machine has sensors, like inductive sensors, pressure switches, limit switches, all kinds. Their job is to detect the state of a mechanical part. When a limit is reached, say a cylinder is fully extended, the sensor turns on and sends 24 volts to the input of a PLC. But a pressed button is also an input. Simple as that. Now, when we program our PLC to turn a motor on, when we press a button, our logic looks like this. Input on, output on. You could make it more interesting. Turn the motor on and off with the same button using a flip-flop. But let's keep it simple for now. Here is the key thing about a PLC. It runs in a cycle. First, it reads all the inputs, then it executes the program, then sets the outputs, turning on valves, motors, actuators. And then it starts over again and again, dozens of times per second. That cycle, read input, run logic, set output, that's the heartbeat of every PLC. Everything in industrial automation is built on top of that.